Article 11 of the Revised Penal Code, justifying circumstances. The following do not incur any, any criminal liability. 1. Anyone who acts in defense of his person or rights, provided the following circumstances occur. First, unlawful aggression. Second, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or to repel it. Third, lack of sufficient provocation on the part of the person defending himself. 2. Anyone who acts in defense of person or rights of his spouse, ascendants, descendants, or legitimate, natural, or adopted brothers or sisters, or of his relatives by affinity in the same degrees, and those by consanguinity within the fourth civil degree, provided that the first and second requisites prescribed in the next preceding circumstance are present, and the third requisite, in case the provocation was given by the person attacked, that the one making defense had no part therein. 3. Anyone who acts in defense of a person or a rights of a stranger, provided that the first and second requisites mentioned in the first circumstance of this article are present, and that the person defending be not induced by revenge, resentment, or other evil motives. 4. Any person who, in order to avoid an evil or greater injury, does an act which causes damage to another, provided that the following requisites are present. First, that the evil sought to be avoided actually exists, and second, that the injury feared be greater than that to avoid it. Third, let there be no other practical and less harmful means of preventing it. 5. Any person who acts in the fulfillment of a duty or lawful exercises of a right of or office. 6. Any person who acts in obedience to an order issued by a superior for some lawful purposes,